Whoa! Wobbly! Steady!
Oh.
I just need one more thing.
Benny? What is all this stuff?
I'm shopping, Joy. I have $5 and I'm gonna buy everything.
Everything? With $5?
Benny, I think we need to talk about money smarts before you spend that money.
Okay, class. To be smart with money, we have to know the difference between a need and a want. Is a giant chocolate dinosaur a need?
Because my tummy says yes. No, a need is something you must have to stay alive, healthy, or safe, like food, water, and warm clothes.
Oh.
Boring stuff.
Important stuff. A wantee is something that is fun, but you can live without it.
Let's play a game. I will show you something, and you shout out if it's a need or a want. Ready? Item number 1, sneakers. Your old ones have holes in them. Need or want? 3, 2, 1. It's a need. We need shoes to protect our feet.
Okay, my turn. Look at this super sparkle slime. It glows in the dark. I definitely need this.
It looks fun, but does it keep us healthy or safe?
No, it just makes my hands sticky.
Then that is a want. Sorry, Benny. Put it back on the shelf.
But Joy, if I only buy needs, I never get to have any fun. I really wanted that big robot toy in the window.
I know, Benny, but here is the secret. When we don't buy small wants like candy or slime, we can save that money in the dream jar.
Ah, the dream jar?
Yes, we save our money here. And when the jar is full, you can buy the big want, like the robot.
I get it. I'm not buying the slime today. I'm saving for the robot.
Great job, Benny. Now it's your turn. Find a jar at home and start your own dream jar. Tell us what you are saving for.
I'm gonna be rich. Bye, everyone.
Benny is excited, but having a jar is just the start. He still needs that first coin.
Whoa.
It's heavy. Hit that subscribe button to see if Benny can make his very first deposit in the next episode. And tell us in the comments, what is your big want? Bye!